Hey everybody, this is Travis with Lansing Motorsports and Lansing Automart. You can find us online at lansingautomart.org. We are super excited to show the new Stryker 750X. At the time of this video, I think we are the first in the country to have this new model. If we're not the first, we are one of the first. But I didn't see anything else on YouTube about it yet. So this is gonna be a quick, not so much like my normal videos where we do a quick start or test drive. This is just going to be kind of first impressions of the 750X and the difference between the 750X and 550X. Just stay tuned, definitely like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and then keep an eye out because I'll be doing a more intense video on the 750X where I'll do a test drive and show the top speed. But right now I just want to show you guys. I've done plenty of videos on the 550X, so this is how one comes standard when you buy the dealer model. I've went over before, buying from a box store, you won't get the power steering, you won't get the back window. The 750X comes with even more that the box store won't get. So you'll get running boards, also the back window, and you'll get the rear bumper standard. Those are things you can add to the 550X. The 750X is a bigger engine, so it's a 735cc dual overhead cam engine, so it's going to make more power. Like I said, keep an eye out for my next video and I'll do top speed on that one. But the 550 is basically a 540cc, so you're going to get a bigger engine and more standard features, and then you're also going to get push button ignition. So the dash is going to look the same. You're going to get the speakers, the Apple CarPlay, everything in the 550X you get in the 750X. Now, this is a camo one, and that's a red one. Those are the only two colors at the time of this video that the 750X is available in. The 550X is also only available in gray. I'm assuming that's going to change soon. So instead of a key, you have a key fob. And these buttons so far don't really do anything. It's just the fob is necessary for the push button. You have to have your foot on the brake, push it to turn it on. The second time with your foot on the brake, push the button and it'll start. So the key fob just needs to be in the vehicle or in your pocket. To shut it off, you just push that button again. After you shut off the engine, all the lights and everything will stay on. You have to push the button one more time with your foot off the brake to turn it off. If your foot is on the brake, it'll start it. And keep in mind, guys, these just came off the truck. I actually got a truckload of 5 Strykers in stock today. So these will still go down to our shop. They'll get pre-delivery inspected and detailed. So these ones are a little dusty. They also, as you can see, still have the straps attached to them from the truck, as well as have some accessories in the bed of them. But we are putting more and more accessories every day in stock. So we're definitely the place to come. If you're looking for a Stryker, you're gonna have the most options between the 550X and the 750X, and the most accessories in stock. We have every single accessory that Hisun makes for them in stock right now, including enclosures, heaters, and all the other cool stuff they make for them. So definitely check us out or view our website, lansingautomart.org. One other huge difference that I forgot to mention between the 550X and 750X, both will have 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Both will have a front locking and unlockable front diff. The 550X has a solid rear end. The 750X has an unlockable rear differential. That is going to make it so that you'll see in my test drive video, I'm sure, it's going to make it turn easier, quieter. You're not going to have your rear tires fighting each other when turning sharp on hard packed pavement, and you're probably not going to tear up grass as much. It's going to be more like a one wheel or turf mode. So I just thought I would mention that as well. So again, in summary, between the 550X and the 750X, you get a bigger motor with a dual overhead cam, push button ignition, and then buying the dealer model instead of the box store model, get the back glass, rear bumper, running boards. You also get different wheels. So the 550X has a nice all black alloy wheel, which I think looks great. but you get even just a little bit fancier alloy wheel in the 750X. Like I said, all the additional options that you can add to the 550X or that come standard on the 750X can be added to either model. This is our demo model here. See the snow blade, roof rack, rear cargo rack, rear roof rack, hood rack. You can put a full tilt windshield. You can add all kinds of things, even heaters to these. So watch my other 550X video for more information. And like I said, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and soon I will be doing a test drive, top speed, and quick start video on the all new Hisun 750X. Thank you so much for watching.